Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. I have another Ludos earphones in here. These are Ludos Turbo. Turbocharge your music listening habits, right? So, why do they have different barcodes on it? But they're actually different boxes. Look at that, guys. One of them is a small text, one of them is a big text. But the front is the same, they're just different colors, I believe. Both are Ludos Turbo. Look at this is a little bit like bouncy. Let's open this up. So there's in two colors. They're also packaged different. I don't know what's happening in here, but let's check it out. Oh, see, this one is already packaged inside of it, but this one is not. So yeah, it comes with these cool Ludos bags. These are pretty cool. Like, you can do this in here and then close it or open it. I like this fire orange. These are the extra blah blah blahs, the dingalings. And this is the... what is that? Oh, that holds them. That's the holder. Look at that. It holds them in here, man. Oh yeah, look at that. Right, so... very nicely packaged as always. A little bit weird shape like this. So it's a little bit like twisted, but I guess it's so it sits in the air better. I don't know. These are not magnetic like the other ones. There is a button on here. How do you open it? That's just a little sticker thing. Right, let's get all this stuff out of the way. Very nice braided cable. Like, this is actually kind of rubberish. It's not really braided, it's kind of rubberish cable. Ta-da! Gold plated, as you can see, or maybe you can't see. I don't know how the light shines in here. Sometimes I look at myself and I'm using the cool light, not the warm light. And because of that, some of the colors might not be, the same as they are in the sunlight. But it's still okay, It's gold plated. Just take my word for it. Don't believe this one has a microphone. Maybe it has. I don't know what this tiny thing in here is. It might have. Unfortunately, there's no way to really test it, because the phones, they don't allow you to put the microphone on. Maybe with a splitter, if I would have one. I probably have somewhere, but anyway. So, I don't know if these are memory foam. I think they are a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, that's a memory foam. That is very good. So, but let's also check out the other one. The Black Beast. Yeah, I don't know why they are different. It looks like this one has already been opened and put back. See, this has that one, the orange one, but that black one doesn't. It's already put into it, so... what is that? Oh, they've been somewhere out in the... worm somewhere, or maybe not. There's a little bit sticking on it. I don't know. Yeah, they're all the same. I'm not gonna mix them up anyway, but it's all the same. You also get a Ludo sticker. Spin me round, round, round. Right. Black one is the same, as you can see. It's just black. I really wish they would also color this part, But then again, I don't know. It's kind of cool, black and this mix. But well, black is black, guys. That is the black for you. So, as always, I'm going to test this out. This is the quad plug, which means it works on mobile devices. It should act as a microphone and stuff. This button, this is usually a generic function. It depends on the device, what it is. I already know these things. It can probably answer a call if this is a microphone in here. Or it can stop your playback or something like this. It's just one button, it's not two. But so, I'm gonna test this out and I'm gonna tell you how well they fit, how good the quality is, and all that stuff about them. So guys, what do I think about these Earbud Earphones, memory foam dingalings? Thumbs up. Yes, definitely. I think this is really good idea to have the memory foam. I kinda liked it better on the other ones, the other Ludos earphones I reviewed. I think it was Ultra and Glamour. They were a little bit softer, but it's still very good. It's a really, really good fit. Idea of the memory foam is that if you squash it a little bit, see, it takes a little bit time until it takes its original shape. It will slowly, as you can see. Well, yeah, slowly, but that's the idea, that if you press it in your ear, see, it's almost back to normal shape now, almost. It's a little bit kink in there, but yeah, the idea is that you can squash it in your ear, like you can even push it a little bit down like I did, put it in your ear, and then it slowly takes its original shape and seals off inside your ear really well and tight, and that makes the bass and the sound quality a lot better. Okay, not the sound quality, but the bass, because the bass is, how well you seal the area off. It's like the airwaves, boom. That's how the bass is so good on these earphones. I absolutely like it. I tried it on a pretty loud volume. The bass is still good. The sound quality is good. It doesn't do this scratching sound. This button, unfortunately, I don't know if it's a hands-free or not. You might need a splitter if you want to use it on your PC or something. I tried plugging it with my camera, but it didn't take because it's a quad. I already know this before. So, sound quality, bass quality, really good. Comfort, really good. It's also very cheap, by the way. There have been some of the Earbud earphones that I've tested. They are like, I don't know, 10 times more expensive. Okay, maybe not that much, 5 times more expensive. And the quality is about the same as these. So it's definitely worth it, guys. If you're looking for a really good and cheap earphones, this is definitely it. The Ludos Turbo. And I will see ya next time.